Hi, hello, welcome to Stay Tuned channel. Today we are going to see grade 10 NCERT first flight unit number 1. That second poem in that, the name of the poem is Fire and Ice, written by Robert Frost. The poem expresses the idea that the world will end someday either by fire or by ice. Here, the poet has compared fire and ice with the self destructing emotions of human beings. The Ice and Fire poem beautifully describes how humans let their emotions rule over them. They have no control over their desires. They work towards achieving their desires, but the more they work, the more they get trapped in them. Thus, they never feel satisfied and destroy their life in a similar way. The poet thinks that the fire and ice will lead to the destruction of the world someday or the other. So, let us see the poem. Some say the world will end in fire, some say in ice. From what I have tasted of desire, I hold with those who favor fire. But if it had to perish twice, I think I know enough of hate to say that for destruction, ice is also great and would suffice. So, in this poem, the poet expresses the two ways in which the world may end. Some people say that the world will end by fire, while others say that it will end by ice. The poet says that he is aware about the fiery desires of human emotions, so he will favor those who say that fire will end the world. Then the poet rethinks again and imagines if the world has to die twice, then ice has the capability similar to fire to destroy the whole world. The poet compares fire and ice with the self destructive nature of human beings. According to the poet, fire stands for desire, greed, and lust. There is no end to such emotions. The more human try to fulfill them, the more rapidly these emotions spread similar to fire. These feelings often engulf human life and they get trapped in them. As a result, people become egotist, selfish, and cruel. On the other hand, the poet describes ice as a rigid, rough, and hateful side of human emotions. People become harsh and do not care about the emotions and feelings of others. They are indifferent to others' happiness and sorrow. Thus, the poet says that since ice and fire both are growing with such rapid speed, the world will end soon, either by fire or by ice. The poem conveys a beautiful message that human emotions rule over them. If humans don't control their emotions, they will ruin their life and bring it to the verge of chaos. So, with that, we come to the end of this poem. I hope that you like the summary and keep watching my channel and supporting me. Bye. See you in yet another episode.